white misery falling as we speak.
Wow. Is this fog or not?
No, your window's dirty.
This is the reality of living in Whitby. East of Toronto.
Lights green.
And we're at the main trunk line called Dundas. A bit of snow coming down, actually.
And boy, are we happy about that.
And gas is at 148.4.
Why? Because they can.
Before the pandemic, it was 69 cents.
Okay, now you're exaggerating. It was a bit more than that.
But cheese has some people eating inside.
Because you'd be a fool to be eating outside today.
Ha ha ha.
Sorry, I'm just a comic relief.
And here's the local Tim Hortons by the car wash. I should not go too far to the side. Because the snowbanks can be as hard as rock.
As he's found out to his detriment. One car later.
Yeah. Again, here's the local library, and I'll clear the viewing window.
Otherwise known as the windshield.
Condensed Bakery.
Which is very good.
Beside Tina's.
British foods.
Beer store, pizza.
First you have pizza and then you have beer.
Garden Street.
Not very gardeny, but hey.
Well, it's packed with snow.
The car in front of us is Susie Q.
Huh.
Oh, cutesy.
Zoozies.
Yeah, I know. He's driving a Subaru SUV and his license plate says fast and cool.
Wow.
I don't know where he got that. They're neither fast nor cool.
That's because he's crawling behind a slow car.
Ah.
And the slow car has moved aside.
Ah. I see.
Now he's gonna be fast.
And because it's snowing, he's cool.
Yes.
Not where Larry is. Can you believe this is how we spend our weekend, folks?
It's the pandemic reality.
We're not in a pandemic anymore.
Yeah, but we're just clinging on to the reality.
Oh, I see.
I should have turned here.
Yes, you should have, but did you? Yeah.
An angle to the side. And take the next intersection. Going south.
Yeah.
Clear my window with a bit of wash.
Glen Hill.
Past the building full of Dutch retirees.